Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order. Today's video, guys, we're doing a fall home tour and decorate with me. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. Okay, you guys, I don't plan to do a whole lot of talking in this video. I am going to just share with you some of the rooms I'm going to be working on. So in this video, you'll see me decorating the kitchen, the actual living room area, and also my bedroom. Now, some of the items that you will be seeing in the video, you guys, I did it in my fall 2019 haul. So if you want to find out more information about these items, please check out that video. But I'm just going to let you guys know that I won't be doing a whole lot of talking, and some of the things may be time-lapsed, okay? Now, even though I will be time-lapsing the actual decorate with me portion of this video, but at the end of the video, I will be giving you my fall home tour. Fun fact, you guys, if you have a area where you know your I don't know your cable cords and your box player. You guys, let me tell you what I came up with. I came up with this really nice solution. I got this basket from Ross, and I think I paid like $15 for it, you guys. And I just just organized those cords and everything, and I actually put my box up under this actual basket. You guys, when I tell you, it's a good way to disclose those wires and stuff, because that was just one of the things that was really irking me. But I just wanted to share that with you guys, just in case you wanted to use the idea. All right, you guys, all the decoration is complete. I just got this basket. You guys, I had that basket for a very long time, and I just decided to put some of the garland that I got in from the Dollar Tree in that basket and put some apples in it. As you can see, what I decided to do with some of the other accessories that I got from the Dollar Tree. I think they look really, really pretty in the windows. And you guys, these are so, so very affordable if you have like a windowsill. And I also got that Hello Fall sign from the Dollar Tree. Y'all, this is probably the best feature in my home, you guys. I actually love this wall in my kitchen. You guys, please comment below and let me know what you think. This is probably one of my favorite features of the fall decor in my house. I really loved working on this wall in my kitchen. It was very easy and simplistic. I also got the actual oven mittens and the towels from the Dollar Tree. I think it really looks really nice in the kitchen. I have the towels and the actual oven mitts. They gather, and it just just puts me into the spirit of the holidays and also the fall season itself. And so I really love the way my kitchen area turned out. I really was just going with the traditional colors of fall in here, because I thought it would be very nice. And when I seen these items go on my kitchen wall, I was like, okay, this is a theme that I'm going with. Now moving on to my bedroom. That is the picture that I painted a few years ago, so I wanted to incorporate that into the bedroom. I also use those same pumpkin accessories and my candles, and I got the pillows on the bed. I really love this thing. I think I was going for like a bed and breakfast thing in my bedroom, to be honest. I like the way everything looks, and I like the way the colors are incorporating all together. So I really liked it. I did a whole lot in my bedroom, but as you can see, with some pillows and a couple of candle holder and some accessories on your end tables will do to a room. So I really love the way that my actual bedroom turned out. And the only thing I did was just put one pumpkin over here on my beauty station. So yeah, it looks really nice in my bedroom, and I really love every way. I love the way the bedroom looks, guys. All right, you guys, moving on to my actual fireplace mantle. I absolutely love my mantle. It is a great focal area in my living room, especially these pumpkins. When I see these pumpkins in the store, they had the word fall, and I was like, oh, you guys, this is a keeper forever. I actually love the color, and I love the gold lettering in them, and it also is just really a good feature with my candles, and they have the gold writing as well. So I really love the way the fireplace looks. And also like I was telling you about this basket that's actually covering up our cable box, I decided to put one of my pumpkins that I got from Big Lots that says thank you, and just took a piece of the rose off of the garland to just add another accent to it. And also I have my beautiful pillows. I decided to go with the raspberry color and the royal blue, because that was one of the colors that they were having really nice decorum in the Dollar Tree. And I decided to throw some of my mauve pillows in there as another pop color. But as you can see, I love the way the living room looks. All the colors blend so well. It is very fall festive, and I just loved everything about my area, you guys. So I really hope you guys enjoyed my fall home tour and my quick decorate with me. So if you guys please have any questions or comments below, please leave them below, and thank you so much for watching.